Welcome to the 1-minute photography. In this video I will show you how to edit wedding photos in Lightroom Classic. Let's start edit. Temperature -12. Tint +11. Exposure +0.29. Highlights -10. Shadow -16. Whites +14. Blacks +26. Next go to the presents. Clarity +6. Dehaze +4. Vibrance +50. Saturation +25. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix. First go to the red color. Hue +10. Saturation -14. Next go to the orange. Hue +10. Luminance +16. Next go to the green. Hue +40. Saturation -30. Luminance +14. Then go to the aqua. Hue +16. Saturation +21. Now go to the blue. Hue -16. Saturation -20. Next go to the purple. Hue +16. Saturation -30. Finally go to the magenta. Hue +20. Saturation -10. And done. Now go to the split tones and make balance to 90. Sharpening 60. Detail 28. Masking 10. Next go to the noise reduction. Luminance noise reduction 5. Color noise reduction 15. Detail 23. Smoothness 30. Then go to the effects. Vignetting -20. Midpoint 60. Feather 90. And done. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your any photos. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.